You're watching the Early Edition on KYMA News 11, where news comes first.
Plus, here locally, the Walk to End Alzheimer's continues, but they need your help. Find out how you can get involved in the annual event as we continue on this Thursday night. Well, Alzheimer's disease affects millions of Americans, and each year communities band together to help find a cure. Here locally, the Walk to End Alzheimer's continues, but they need your help. The fundraiser is in desperate need of teams, although the pandemic has forced the organization to limit this year's event to online only. It's not stopping them from raising money and awareness. Throughout our region, teams will still take part in the October 17th event, but in their own way.
Some folks are going to walk in their neighborhood. Some staff members are going to walk around their business property. Some folks are going to walk on a treadmill. So you can walk wherever you're at and wherever you can be safe. You can walk alone, or you can walk with those that you know you can be safe with, such as family members or neighbors, using proper social distancing.
All the funds raised during the Walk to End Alzheimer's stay right here in Yuma County.
News 11 recognizes 7 team members who were nominated for an Emmy.
Now in News 11's Early Edition, shocking accusations.
For accusations of sexual assault and mistreatment by Border Patrol agents. News 11 Early Edition. And
a time ago that when you're small, you're the sponge.
Translating Tradition, the Quitchan language. Sunrise on News 11. Continue your push for greatness. Yuma stands with your dedication to the truth.